I'm taking a break from searching for chestnuts because it's time for me to eat supper. I'm starving. And so I went and harvested some goodies from the garden, but I wanted some mushrooms. So I went out into the forest to go look for my absolute favorite mushroom, sweet tooth. And I found a good amount, perfect for my meal. And this is the fourth time that I found sweet tooth in my patch this season, which is the most ever. I think that one of the reasons that they call these sweet tooth is because if you do this, oh, it smells like caramel and citrus. And so I think that caramel smell is why they call them sweet tooth, because it just makes the experience even better when you can smell that incredible sweet aroma. And I wanted to tell you something else about this experience. And that is how, after living here in this forest for all these years, I've learned so many secrets from nature. For example, exactly what kind of habitat the combination of trees and conditions produces different mushrooms, different areas of the forest. And so I wanted sweet tooth, and I knew exactly where to go to get them. And when I held them up to my nose and I smelled that sweet fragrance, I actually cried tears of joy. Seriously. And that experience of being brought to tears of joy by nature, I wish everyone would experience that. Because until you've experienced that, then you don't know what it really means to feel that connection to nature, to the universe. And I'm not saying that in some spirit like a typical online video person to be bragging. It's got nothing to do with me. I don't care. I'm not trying to show off or something. I'm trying to encourage you to get out there and have these kinds of experiences to enrich your life and to increase your connection to the natural world, which I'm going to go inside right now and eat. When one lives in nature, time is measured only in natural cycles. I didn't know that it was Thanksgiving weekend, and I didn't even know what day of the week it is. In the forest, every day is Thanksgiving.